Hello everyone, this is Hannah from Food. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'd like to introduce our fully automatic CRM 80 gummy candy production line in detail. This is a medium to small scale and high precision gummy candy production line with a capacity of 80 kilograms per hour. And it supports continuous and stable manufacturing of double colors and center-filled gummy candy. The entire line is also used a classic one cooker, two tanks design, and this cooker is equipped with high-speed sharing device and creeping storing device. And two CIP bowls are installed in this cooker to meet GMP standards. And then we can add water, glucose, and white sugar in this cooker. And once the syrup is cooked, the syrup are pumped into the cooling storage tank by the low pump. And since the gelatin is heat sensitive and prone to degradation at high temperature, so we should strictly follow the temperature control process. When the syrup is cooled down to 70 degrees, meanwhile the gelatin is pre-melted in the tilting kettle and maintained at a low temperature. And then the gelatin is poured into this cooling storage tank. And this storage tank we also equipped with the creeping storing device inside, achieving uniform blending. And then the mixed syrup transferred into the cooling storage tank by the low pump. All the parameters of cooking system, including cooking temperature and discharge rate, are adjusted on the electrical control cabinet. And then there is a static mixing system. Here are two metering pumps with two small tanks, and we can add flavors and colors. And the flavors and colors are automatically dosed with precision, effectively reducing the issues such as color variation and inconsistent aroma caused by manual mixing. And then the mixed syrup transferred into the dynamic mixing system, and where we can add vitamins, acids, and other functional ingredients. This dynamic mixing ensures no blend angle, guaranteeing consistent color and texture for every candy. And then the syrup transported into the insulated hopper, and the depositing temperature is around 80 degrees. Each gummy candy weighs 2 or 3 grams, and the depositing speed adjusted from 20 to 45 pieces per minute, and producing 30,000 gummy candy per hour. After depositing the gummy candy along the belt into the cooling storage tank for cooling, dehumidification, and defrosting to prevent the moisture regain and stickiness, ensuring the gummy candy transparent and dry on the surface. And then we employ the high-pressure air blowers and demolding brushes to ensure 100% demolding. And then the gummy candy are transported in the dry chamber, where they are dried at below 25 degrees for 6 to 8 hours. And these times can be adjusted according to your recipe. And then they undergo coating with oil and sugar. So this is our fully automatic CRM 80 gummy candy production line. If you want to know more, please contact me now.